Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you for all your support. I appreciate you all. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So today's video is all about these starter kits. Like if you're just starting your makeup collection, you know how you have to go buy. Sometimes we buy different kind of blushes. This you have varieties in one palette, and you have eyeshadow that contains so many gorgeous and beautiful color that you don't have to buy individually. This is really be good for somebody that is just starting makeup, or in this holiday season you're looking for a gift to give to a loved one. This product can also work for you. So please let me know what you think at the end of this video, and please do leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned. First palette, it's by Provision Cosmetics. This is the berries. They have different shades of this palette, and this has 21 eyeshadow shades. It contains one dual-ended eyeshadow brush. It's a combination of shimmering opals, rich berries, bright pinks, and soft wearable violets. It's ideal for all skin types, and it's sold for $10. The next one is by Smashbox. It's the Photo Finish Travel Primer Trio. This is actually meant for this holiday season. You know, you can use it as a gift or you can use it as a starter kit instead of you buying individually. This is sold for $15 in some places, and some places you see it for $22 or $25 depending on where you're buying it. Inside it contains what is called primerizer, which also is known as moisturizer, which is the first step after on your clean face. Before you apply your makeup, you need to moisturize your skin. The next one is called the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. You know, if you want to have that flawless look and you want to have like a perfect selfie, this will be the second step that you put on top of your moisturized face before you apply your makeup. And the next one is called the Primer Water. You can use this as a set, or you use it to refresh your makeup after some few hours after you have worn it. Okay, this is really good for this winter time. This one is a 10-color palette professional blush by BH Cosmetics. This is sold for $13. Sometimes they might be running sales, you might be able to get it less than $10. This contains peaches and jasy pink to intense red blossom in both creamy mattes and shimmers. You will love it. Instead of buying one by one different types of shade, this already has 10 shades in one palette. This palette is an highlighter. This is called the Spotlight Highlight by BH Cosmetics. This is sold for $17. But right now, at the moment they are running sale on it, it's sold for $12.75. Inside there you have 6 color of highlighter, and it comes with variety flattering highlight effect with, like I said, 6 shades. It also has a mirror that you don't have to worry about mirror separately. Mirror is attached to it, so you can always have your bling on as you go. So we all know how important it is for us to have good set of brushes, okay, when you're doing your makeup. So BH Cosmetics has very affordable brushes that will last you a very long time when you buy them to use. I've tried them before, tried and true. I'm telling you guys, it's the ultimate. They're affordable and very effective. They last you much more longer. So I only bought this set, it's a travel size, and I bought it to support the Breast Awareness Cancer Month. This has 6 pieces brush set. Inside of it, we have the round powder brush, tapered powder brush, we have the flat top bluffing brush, large flat concealer brush, tapered blending brush, and angle eyeliner brush as well. This cost only $13.
At their website, you will be able to get brushes that are even a little bit cheaper than this. You have the ones that are a little bit expensive than. Hope you all enjoy watching my mini review of this starter kit. Please let me know what you think down below. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.